So hello everybody, welcome to Irodov problem solving series. We are dealing with the very first problem of Irodov. This is problem number 1.1 and the problem is stating a motorboat going downstream overcame a raft at a point A. After 1 hour it turned back and after some time passed the raft at a distance 6 km from the point A. Find the flow velocity assuming the power of the engine to be constant. So let us begin by diagrammatically understanding the situation which is given in the problem. So we can understand this entire situation diagrammatically like this. So this is the position of the motorboat and the raft at the point A which the problem is mentioning, and after 1 hour the motorboat is making a turn. So if the motorboat is flowing in the direction of the river and Vm is the speed of motorboat and Vr is the speed of the river, then the relative speed while flowing downstream. So this is the case we write downstream. So in case of downstream, the two velocities will add up together and this will become Vm plus Vr, and since it is traveling for 1 hour, it will cover a distance Vm plus Vr times 1 hour, that is Vm plus Vr, and after a time t from this point B to point B, it will be traveling upstream. So while it is traveling upstream, it is going to have a relative speed of Vm minus Vr, and in time t it is reaching point P where it is meeting this raft again. Now the problem is stating that it is meeting this raft at the point P which is 6 km from point A. So these are the situations, or these are the things which is given in the problem. Now we are asked to calculate the river flow velocity, or we can say find the flow velocity assuming the power of the engine to be constant. That is, the problem is asking us to calculate the flow velocity, that is Vr, and we don't know a variable t, and we have this situation drawn like this. So the first thing that we do is we can say that the first expression that we have is Vm plus Vr multiply by time, which is 1 hour in this case, and if we subtract this distance, that is minus of Vm minus Vr times t, then it has covered a distance of 6 km. So this is the first equation that we have, and if we solve this, we have Vm plus Vr minus of Vmt plus Vrt is equal to 6. So this becomes equation number 1 that we have. Now for the second expression, we have this equation where we can say that Vr 1 plus t is equal to 6 km. That is, this raft is flowing with the river. The raft is flowing with the river. The raft is resembling the river flow. The raft is just flowing with the river. So it is having the velocity which is equal to the velocity of the river Vr, and 1 plus t, this is equal to 6 km. So this is the second expression that we have, and we can write Vr plus Vrt is equal to 6. So this becomes the second equation which we have. So over here Vr plus Vrt can be written as 6, and hence we can say that if we solve the two equations which we have, so therefore we will have this expression that Vm minus Vmt, and then Vr plus Vrt we can write it as 6. This is equal to 6, and hence we have this situation where we can write Vm minus Vmt is equal to 0, and from here we can calculate that t is equal to 1 hour. So Vm is equal to Vmt, that is t equals 1 hour. So we can say for 1 hour the motorboat was going in the downstream direction or with the river flow, and as it turns after 1 hour, it has again traveled for another 1 hour to meet this raft at a point P. So this time t we have calculated as 1 hour, and if we substitute this value over here, then it is a very simple equation for us to solve for river flow. So therefore we can say that Vr 1 plus 1, that is 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3 km per hour is the correct answer for this particular problem. Problem number 1.1 of I Iridov.